On March 6, 2025, Indian equity markets showed a remarkable recovery for the second day in a row. The Nifty 50 surged by 0.9%, closing above 22,300, finally breaking that frustrating 10-day losing streak. Support levels are now pegged at 22,037 and 21,852, while resistance sits at 22,637 and 22,823. The BSE Sensex followed suit, climbing 0.85% and adding around 740 points, maintaining its positive momentum. Meanwhile, the Bank Nifty saw a modest increase of 0.28%, closing at 48,489.95, trading between 48,299.40 and 48,839.10. Public sector banks like Bank of Baroda and Canara Bank led the charge, while HDFC Bank and IndusInd Bank faced some headwinds, dropping 1% and 1.5% respectively. The overall market sentiment was lifted by falling global crude oil prices, benefiting sectors like paints and oil marketing companies. Plus, the Reserve Bank of India's liquidity measures provided a much-needed boost to both banking and non-banking financial companies. In summary, March 6 was a day of positive momentum for Indian stock markets, with key indices showing resilience and public sector banks shining bright.